Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. You know, today we have completed 8,000 subscriber on my YouTube channel. The journey of this YouTube channel started maybe 3 years or 4 years back. And in these 4 years, I have completed 8,000 Oracle DBA. Those who are following me from different countries, and they are learning a lot things which is completely free of cost from this YouTube channel. When I started this YouTube channel after 1 year, I still remember that I had some 1,000 subscribers were there, and I got some kind of depression, or you can say, like, after putting a lot of efforts also, I'm just getting a 1,000 subscriber, which is again, when I'm comparing with the other YouTubers, especially for the entertainment area or technology area, not a technology related to this IT field, some different YouTubers, then I feel like, okay, these people have millions of subscribers, and like, even I'm also putting the same efforts as, then why I'm having only 1,000 subscribers? So after these 4 years of journey with this YouTube channel, the 8,000 subscriber which I am having right now, these are the quality subscribers, guys. Quality means to say, these are the subscribers who are continuously watching me and following me. See, the area which we have selected, that is Oracle DBA. Again, it's a very small part of the IT industry. It's a small technology compared to the other technology, because we have thousands of technologies are there. So among that, I'm selecting the Oracle DBA, which is again a very small technology. Now, if you talk about the audience, all over the world, very few audience are there which are working as a Oracle DBA, or which they want to start their career as a Oracle DBA. Now, if you compare it with the entertainment area or movies, songs, or anything, obviously they have a huge audience. Everyone want to see the movies, everyone want to watch the comedy videos and laugh ourselves. But this type of stuffs you will not get it over on my platform or other YouTubers who are working on the Oracle DBA technology or other technology like this Oracle DBA. So we will have a very short audience, like 8,000 subscribers, compared to the other YouTubers from the same skill set. You find it, the count is good. So when I'm starting my day, or when I'm just going for the bed, before that I'm also thinking about what will be my next topic on which I can create the videos. From last 4 days, I am continuously watching my YouTube statistic, like how many subscribers are gaining. And don't consider like I'm earning like anything from the YouTube channel. See, by looking to the 8,000 subscriber, YouTube will not pay much, okay? And there will not be much ads also. So that's okay. When I started this YouTube channel, there was a first intention that from the college time, or you can say when I was a kid, that time itself, I had a passion to share my knowledge with the other peoples. I would like to become a teacher. Now I'm an engineer, I'm an IT engineer, where we are working. We are not getting a chance to share the knowledge. We are getting it just for the KT purpose. But yes, I was having a passion, even I am having a passion to share my knowledge. So this is a YouTube platform where I can share my knowledge. Again, it's completely free of cost. We have a premium training is also there, which I'm starting from the next month. So I'm starting my new Oracle DBA batch also, which is again premium. But yes, there are many people I have seen around me, they cannot afford the premium classes. So for them, this YouTube channel is really helpful. I have seen some of the messages from the different YouTubers or different subscriber. They are sending me that, Ankush sir, I have seen your YouTube channel. I have followed you from last 2 years. All the videos I have watched, and I'm getting selected now. I got selected with this particular company as Oracle DBA. There are people, it's not like every time we need to spend the money. We can also get a job without spending the money by looking to the free content. And I'm always telling to the subscriber, like, don't just follow me. You need to follow to the all people, because I'm not the one who is just sharing the knowledge. There are many other YouTubers are there, many other blogs are there, contents are there, opportunities are there, portals are there. We need to go through that, and we are all learning. Even I'm learning all the days. Every day something I'm learning from the maybe YouTube, from the blog, maybe from articles. Every day I'm learning something new, and I'm trying to share this with you all by using this platform. So just wanted to thank you for being with me and listening me carefully for so many years. And I can assure you that this YouTube channel will be there till the time I'm here, and I'll be trying to share this knowledge as much as I can. And again, whatever you can see on the YouTube channel, that will be completely free of cost. Apart from this, I'm also having the website learnomat.org. Many, and I know lot of people have subscribed, lot of people are there who are watching completely free of cost videos on the channel, on my website also. So you can go to my website, watch the things completely free of cost, and there are some premium courses are also there. So working with this YouTube channel from last 4 years, and today I have completed 8,000 subscribers. Again, it's a very big achievement for me. I'm completely emotional, because from my life, I'm also putting a lot of efforts to make sure that you'll get some quality content. And every day I'm spending a lot time to create this video, editing. Don't think that it's a very easy work. When you see some video, it puts a lot of efforts. We have a camera, editing, sometimes we'll be wrong, we'll be shuffling, we'll be fumbling. A lot of things will happen behind the scene. Now you can hear my kid he's recently born last week. He's crying now. So we need to edit all those things, okay? And these things are happening. So normally I'm talking about the technical stuff, but yes, today, since I got this opportunity, I just want to share it. I just want to thanks to everyone, to all my subscribers, for being here and listening me. So we'll try to expand the knowledge again. I'll include more and more technologies, definitely. Okay, whatever I'm learning, I'll try to share here completely free of cost. Thank you so much. Okay, so please do like, subscribe and share this channel. And if you have any questions, queries, or you are looking for real-time database training, you can contact me. Bye bye guys.